We'll never be able to probe the depths of the gospel. We'll never be able to see the heights of the gospel. In eternity, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning about the gospel for all eternity. God's going to be expressing to us the depths of the gospel. It's like this. If I could say there's something as chronology in heaven, let's say there is, just for lack of a better a way to understand it so our finite minds can wrap around it. What it is we will have a capacity given to us by God to catch a glimpse of Christ. And He's infinite, right? So we'll catch a glimpse of Him and we'll have a better understanding of His grace towards us, God's grace towards us in Christ, in the gospel. And then the next day, and we'll be able to worship Him because we'll be like, wow! And we'll be worshiping Him and praising Him and glorifying Him. And then the next day, we're going to get another little glimpse, a little bigger glimpse of the one the day before. And so that's going to expand our capacity to worship Him even more. And then this is going to go on for the rest of eternity.